In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to void an invoice in Zoho. This process can be quite straightforward after you've navigated it a few times, and today we'll make sure you understand every step with absolute clarity. Whether it's due to an error, a change in the transaction, or some other reason, knowing how to properly void an invoice is a key skill in managing your accounting and sales processes efficiently. First, you'll want to start by entering Zoho and directing your attention to either the Sales or Invoices module. These areas are where you manage and keep track of your invoices actively, so it's essential to be comfortable navigating these sections. Look through your list to find the specific invoice that needs voiding. Take your time to ensure you're choosing the correct invoice. Double-check details like the invoice number, client information, and the date. This careful review will prevent erroneous voiding, which could cause complications down the line. Once you've identified the invoice you want to void, look towards the interface options provided. You'll find a More button signified by 3 dots, often referred to as an ellipsis. This button is an essential feature that reveals a drop-down menu with additional actions you can perform on your invoice. After clicking the More button, you will see an option labeled Void. Click on this Void option, and the system will prompt you to confirm this action. Confirming is a crucial step because voiding an invoice is generally irreversible. Once completed, it changes the status of the invoice and affects your reports and transaction logs. So make sure you have double-checked all necessary information before proceeding. Once confirmed, Zoho allows you to enter a reason for voiding the invoice. Although this may not be mandatory, it is advisable to enter a clear, concise reason. This will not only help you keep your records organized, but will also assist if you ever need to refer back to this action, or if there's a need for explanations during audits or evaluations. After you enter your reason and finalize the voiding process, the system will update the invoice status to void. By doing so, the invoice is effectively removed from most reports and transactions. This means it will no longer influence your balance sheets or figures in sales analytics, preserving the accuracy of your financial data. Voiding an invoice ensures your accounting remains precise and up-to-date, reflecting true business transactions. As always, maintaining proper documentation and judiciously reviewing actions will serve you well as you manage your financial systems using Zoho. So the next time you find yourself needing to void an invoice, you'll have the confidence and knowledge to do it swiftly and correctly.